morning, everyone. This is Cindy. I'd like to welcome you to my channel. I appreciate you hanging out with me. I'm going to be finishing up a folio. It's actually an altered file folder I've been working on, and I'm fixing to finish it up, and I thought maybe you might like to join me. So, I hope everyone's doing okay and you're having a good week. Okay, this is the folio that I am working on, and there's my little eyelet, and there's my closure. Okay, so this is what I'm working on. I will, let's see, I'll show it to you, and we'll take it bit by bit as we're finishing it up. It measures, let's see here, it measures 5.5 by 8.5. So that's the measurements, and it's it flips out 3 times. And I've used some of Rachel's beautiful digitals, Roxy Creations. If you're interested, you can go over to her Etsy shop. She has beautiful, beautiful digitals. Her husband loads them up for her, and yeah, so they're very pretty. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, let me remove this. Okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to finish up a little bit on this front here. I am going to add, I had this laying around, and this is a nature folio, so I thought, in flowers, so I thought maybe we would add this. So all I need to do is just put a little bit of glue right here, and plop that down. I think I'll bring it over a little bit and down a little bit. And I've had these darling little gathered circles, yo-yos, forever. I ordered them from a girl years ago, and I was using them for Christmas. But I just love them. I think they just add so much to my projects till I'm using them for a lot of things. So we're going to put that right there. And I'll show you what's in here. I layered up the front. I did some, I think this was a print of a ledger, and then this is, I cut this out, fussy cut this out and placed there. Then we have a little tuck here. So yeah, I think it turned out really cute. And see if we want to add any, I don't think I want to add that. Let's see if we want to add anything else down here. I do have some, oh, I kind of like that. I have, these are, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, these are from Tracy Fox. So we're going to put that there. Line that up. Okay, now, see what else I want to do here. I had this tag in here, which I think is so, so pretty. And I had this, I think this is just lovely. I love, love, love this. And I want to see how that layers up. I like the way that kind of flows up. So I think that's good. So the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to put an eyelet in this. I think I'm going to put it about right there. So let me get my trusty crocodile out. We're going to flip that over. And I'm going to line that up about, ay, 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 ho, ho. I crocodiled my finger. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, well, let's look at it and see if I can put an eyelet in it. No, it didn't break the skin, but whoa. I'm telling you, girls, that hurt. Oh my goodness. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, okay, I guess we better be more careful with the Yeo crocodile. Okay, I'm going to put the eyelet in here, and I'm going to move my finger away. Goodness gracious. And I'm going to line this up. Okay, very good. That came out nicely on the back side. Now we'll add the closure to it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I like the front. I think that's very, very pretty. Whoa, that's the first. I never tried to crocodile my finger before. Oh, that was kind of scary. Okay, moving right along. Oh, let's flip over, and this is pretty. I love this. Let me open this. This opens, unclips, and I have some pretty things here. Isn't that beautiful? I just love these flowers. I think they are so pretty. Just beautiful. Rachel does such a pretty job. Okay, I have this as a long tag, and I have this as a tag. And then, you know, I love, love, love vellum, but it's so fiddly to work with because a lot of times you can see the glue, but this one came out perfect. It's a tag with a flip-up piece of vellum, and then on the back, it's, I've got that. But I think that turned out so pretty, and I really, really like it. So, I've got to see if I want to do anything else on this page. I don't really think so. Let me see. Oh, I kind of like that. That's pretty. I think I will add that to the bottom of this tag. And again, these are from Rachel. These Roman numbers are from Rachel. I'm going to put that right there. Okay. And let's see if I want to do anything else. Well, I actually kind of like that. That kind of blends in really pretty with it. So I think, let me see here. Here's a piece of, okay, I think I'm going to add that. That is a piece of Edith Holden book page that was just laying there. So let's add that on, kind of like so. Okay, then we're going to flip that over. You know, when you have things just laid out on your desk that you have no idea what you're going to do with, a lot of times when you start creating, it just falls into place, and it's just like you had planned it. Okay, I like that. That's good. And let's see here. I might just leave this one, although it doesn't really need much, but I think I will put a label up there. Yeah, it doesn't need much, although I think it needs a little piece of book page. So let me get a book out. And this is some Italian book page from Rachel that I purchased a long time ago from her. And I love, love, love using it. So let's see if we do that. Okay, I like that. Let's do that. I'm going to leave the edge on it because it's so pretty and aged till I don't want to take any of it off. So we're going to put some glue on this. And I like that writing right there, so I'm going to come down a little bit onto the flowers and put it right there. And then this is another label from Tracy. So let's do that. Okay. So that gives us these two tags. And I'm not going to put a topper on them because we're using this fun little clip here. And then we have this. And you know, I'm not going to put anything on this. I think this is just beautiful, just like it is. So let's layer this up. Let's do that, and that, and that. And then we're going to clip these with our cute little clip here. And you can add more if you would like. Okay, now let's see what we got going on. We have got this middle pocket here. And it is a tuck. And I think this is just beautiful with the flowers and the writing and the chandelier. I think what we're going to do with it is we're going to take a little bit of Edith book page. Ooh, do I like that side better? Or that side better? I think I like this side better. Okay. Although I love that writing. Let's go with the writing. Okay. Then we're just going to take and put it ever so lightly right there and come down. I want to make sure that's not coming out the top. And it's not. It's right on the money. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? I just love these flowers. They are just gorgeous. And then I use the coordinating flowers to do the little tuck. So we're going to put that there. And then let's see what we've got. I've got this. And I was kind of thinking about layering this up. I thought that was awfully pretty. So I think what we're going to do is we are going to round these off. And we're going to round these off. Okay, then let's, oh, wait a minute, that one didn't clip too well. There we go. We're going to add some glue. Okay, and And then we're going to put that right in the middle here. I'm going to straighten it up a little bit. Okay, that's pretty. I really like that. And then we're going to tuck that right there. And let's see what else we have. I had this, and I was kind of thinking about, I don't know. Kind of thinking about maybe sliding that piece of Edith on there. This actually this rose page, this rose collection is actually from My Porch Prints. So you can pop over there and see those. It's a beautiful kit with all kind of beautiful roses in it. Okay. And let me see if I have just a little tiny, oh yeah, here we go. We're going to put this little guy on here. Okay. We're going to put that right there. Get it straight. I hate crooked. Well, seems like it's wanting to fall on my finger. Okay, let me pick these up out of the way. Now, I was thinking about, no, I don't want to take away from that. So we're going to slide that right there. Okay. And then on this side, I had made this beautiful tag. I had already made it. Isn't that pretty? Let me use a little bit of ink here. I made a tag out of this. It was actually a document paper, a reprint of a document paper, and I made a tag out of it, and then I put this on there, and I need to trim this just a little bit. Hopefully I don't take my finger off. Lord of mercy. Okay. And then I cut this bird out. This is actually off of one of the pages of Rachel's papers. And then this is from My Porch Prints, the Rose collection. And I thought I would put this right here. With a, where did it go? Here it is. Things can really get spread out. I thought I would clip this right here. Like so. There we go. And then in this pocket, I have Edith Holden that I made a tag out of. And let me clip the corners. And then we have this beautiful tag, which I just love. And I think I'm going to clip the corners on it. Okay. And they slide right in there. Okay. And I think this turned out so very pretty. So we're going to close this and close this, and now we're going to attach our closure. And let's see here about how long we're going to need this. That, and then it's going to come around like this. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to close it yet. Let's see. Maybe if I do this. I like this. I thought it went well with the nature theme. So let's do that. And maybe this, like so. And then we're going to just wrap around like this. Well, let me, whoo, ever since I snapped my finger, I'm kind of shaky. Lord. Okay, and we're gonna bring it through like this. And we're going to make a bow. And let's see here. There. That's good. And then I'm going to kind of cut it up about right there. Okay, there we go. I think this, I love this. I think it turned out beautiful. I love it. I love all the little texture in it. I do. Okay, I want to thank you so much. I just thought maybe you might like to watch while I finished this up. And I'll leave all the links below. And I want to thank you so much for joining me again today. Bye-bye.